In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix the Amazon temporarily locked account issue. If you're interested, let's get started. You might be wondering how to solve this problem. The truth is, it can be both simple and a little tricky. It depends on the situation. Step 1, wait for the lock to clear. Since this is a temporary lock, Amazon often removes it automatically after some time. Usually, waiting 24 to 48 hours is enough. After that, try logging in again to see if the problem is gone. Step 2, contact Amazon support. If the lock doesn't clear, you'll need to reach out to Amazon. Open your browser and go to Google. Search for Amazon support. Click on Contact Customer Service. It may ask you to sign in, but instead, click Help. From there, choose Account Settings or any option related to your issue. When it asks you to sign in again, click Need Help, then select Other Issues with Signing In. Choose your issue, for example, I can't sign into my account. You can also try the password reset option. Amazon will send a reset link to the email associated with your account. After resetting your password, you might regain access. Step 3, call Amazon. If none of those options work, you'll need to call their support hotline. The phone number will depend on your region. For example, mine redirects to Amazon Australia, so I see the Asian support number. Make sure you visit the Amazon site for your correct region, since the numbers can vary. Call them and ask for help removing the lock or resetting your account.